So I've never actually done this before, and I don't know if I'm live right now or not. But if I am, hey, cool, right on. I'm just gonna build a watch list, and just gonna sit here and vape and build my watch list. So, I like CEI. I played it today. It was a recent runner. It's Camber Energy Incorporated. It's an oil and gas play, which is inexplicably hot right now. Last week, the energy sector started running, and so this caught some steam. This is usually on my other monitor. I couldn't figure out how to I didn't take the time to figure out how to get my stream to stream this my other monitor. So here we are. Anyway, building a watch list. Let's see. I've got my recent spikers watch list, and then I've got my high alert watch list. And basically, what I do is I go through my recent spikers, CTIC. Y'all remember that, right? It ran when CBAT and all that was running. And so I have a look and I try to figure out if I want to keep it on my watch list or not. And it looks like it's kind of holding its gains. It is up near 52-week highs, so I'll probably keep it on watch as long as it holds 3. This little shakeout is okay. That's just some consolidation. One can expect that sort of thing. My girlfriend just texted me, so I guess she's watching my live videos. She's probably the only one. Hi, girlfriend. I love you. Alright, so CTIC looks okay, but it doesn't need to be on my high alert, but that reminds me of other stuff that ran, like CBAT. CBAT, I don't know, the battery plays are still hot, so might as well put it on watch, which reminds me of other things that I could look at. Plug. Holy smokes, made it to almost 20. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I wouldn't play something that high. But that reminds me of Blink, so what's Blink doing? That was my mouth fart sound. See, that reminds me of Clean Spark. See, all of these are too high priced for my interest. I don't like the kind of moves that these things make when they're up here. But you know, since we're on the path of EVs, let's look at some EV plays that I like. Ooh. I love Arrow. I was buying it in here. But it's not doing anything. What's Solo up to? See, all of these would probably do more if Tesla was running. But, oh, look at that. What's going on? And I love stocks to trade because I've got like my Twitter feed here and I can see what people are saying about it. Oh, I don't know. Why aren't you doing it? Of course, nothing is perfect. Oh, maybe this is the top. That was the top. Go back to the top. It's like, okay, buddy, we'll do that. People advertising there. The market is red today. I like how people will like call out other people for not understanding things, but then they'll like misspell colors. Good job, buddy. All right. Yeah, Solo looks all right, actually. I think there should be. They said they were doing. Didn't they roll out production recently? Some random pumpy guys report a foreign issuer. They're a foreign issuer? Oh, right, it's Canada company. See, I love stocks to trade because I can just be like, "What? Oh yeah, it's a vehicle part. It's in Canada. The name of the company is Electromechanical Vehicles. They're traded on the Nasdaq like it's fucking. I mean, it's swell, guys. It's swell. Average volume is 5.5, floats 25. They traded 4 million shares today, so less volume than usual. But I like this. This to me looks like a reversal signal because it came down, found support, right? Comes back up, tests resistance here. Looks like, yeah, exactly right there. But it doesn't have the volume to beat it, but it doesn't go all the way back down. So this is bearish, but then you've got this ascending triangle forming. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. I'm gonna put Solo on my list actually. And then with recent spikers, like I just like have them there to think about, and then if nothing else is going on, I can look at them, or if they show up on the top percent gainers, I can be like, holy smokes, that was on my watch list. Any other EV plays? DSGT, but it's an OTC, and honestly, like I'll put an OTC on my list. Like you can bet your butt that Halb is going to be on my list because look at that, just insane. And LNK, LKNCY should be on my list. Help. And okay, so yeah, now we go to the high alert list. NNDM was on my high alert list today because it was making moves. Look at that beautiful breakout at 325. Boom. But then it failed. But still holding near its highs. And look at this higher low pattern. I'm gonna keep it on high alert for tomorrow. See what she can do tomorrow. I also like to check the daily. And NNDM has this nice spike in its past. It's got a couple of them. Doesn't usually hold up though, so no, it's a hot sector play because EVs and stuff. I'm not exactly sure how they relate to the EV plays, but sweet, sweet nicotine. They do. Whenever the EV play sector runs, they run. They make like hardware and stuff. And I would look way more into this. Screw it. Let's just look way more into this. One-stop solution for agile hardware development and innovative circuit design across a wide array of industries. Empowers companies to control cycles through in-house additive manufacturing of PCBs and non-planar electronics with speed and precision, while reducing research and development costs with its lights-out digital manufacturing printing technology. Ooh. This is the industry's only comprehensive manufacturing printing platform for round-the-clock 3D printing of electronic circuitry. 3D printing of electronic circuitry. You know what? I have looked into these guys before. They they do 3D printing of electronic circuitry. I don't want your crap. Yeah, I was looking at them back in the day. I might have even done a penance dossier on them for playing it wrong. Pretty neat stuff. So they make these machines that allow them to print circuit boards. And so it's kind of it's kind of important whenever like electronic stuff goes on. But I don't recall them having any amazing deals. So we can go back. I really don't like this tiny screen. I have to like get in there. News. Doobadoo. What are the best stocks to buy right now? Oh, they closed their direct offering, which is cool. I should probably look more into that. I've been really lazy lately, and I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. Among tech gainers, prices. Oh, there was the offering. What happened? 10-1. Did the market respond to their offering? Yeah, kind of. Wow. It actually held up pretty well considering they had an offering. That's cool. But I don't see anything about like deals that they have or like what kind of awesome stuff they got going on. They're just a tech company in a tech market, you know? I don't have as much time as I would like, so I'm just gonna keep going. All right, we got Halb on the high alert list. Halb is it's a COVID play. It's a biotech company. They got a deal with some university. They're trying to make a thing. Yeah, Arizona State. They're developing antibodies to fight COVID. I don't know. It sounds like a pretty big deal. They got a deal with a university. They're doing their best out there. They're living their best life. Medalist diversified. Looks like they put something out in after hours. Oh, snap. They got dividends? They got dividends! Look at this float. 3.2 million. No wonder it ran 100% in like 45 minutes. Okay, it wasn't 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Oh, sorry, an hour and a half. All right, 30-minute time frame, hour and a half. They're going on the high alert list. MDRR, we're gonna watch them in the morning. I'm not gonna buy any now. Can I? No, I can't buy any now. I would if I could. Just kidding, I wouldn't. Genesis Healthcare. Positive reconciliation and settlement under the Medicare Shared Savings Program. Sans Life. REIT. REIT is a real estate investment thing. Trust. Real estate investment trust. I read a book once by Anthony Robbins called Money, Master the Game, and he talks about real estate investment trusts in that and how they're investing in what do you call that? Old people's homes, because they're not going away. Old people's homes are here to stay is the theory. So it's interesting that this Genesis Healthcare is an REIT that invests in old folks' homes, apparently. I don't know how else to say that. So that's what I'm going to call it. Hospice? I don't know. Anyway, it looks good. It's going on the... And look at this float. Ooh, 80 million. Okay, so yeah, that's a pretty big float, but think about the market cap, right? 155 million. It's cheap. All right. Average volumes 816. It can move. Traded a bunch of shares today. So with a float like this, at this kind of price, you got to think about market cap. And under 200 million shares, this is a nano cap. So, I mean, with enough dollar volume, it could move. And you should check out today's Steady Trade podcast episode. They talk about dollar volume in that. Oh, this is Tim's watch list. I usually put it in the morning, or if I'm still up, God forbid, when he puts it out, then I put it out then, or I put it in. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. OTCQB, I stay away from these because the level 2 does not work as well, I think, for those. Look at this MDGS. Did cute stuff today. I think I played this. I overtraded today. I might have played it. I'm going to put it on recent spikers. Sorry if that was loud. I don't know how loud my typing is. Looks like, alright folks, it looks like there's a lot of biotechs running. Like a lot of stuff that I've seen here has been biotechs. Look at these Form 4s. I wonder what's going on. Form 4, in case you didn't know, is insider trading. Could be buying or selling. You want to look right here. And look at this. Securities acquired or disposed of. Disposed of. So somebody dumped 2,300 shares at $1.35. What's the stock at? Why, I bet they feel stupid. I don't know. I like this. Look at that. Spike and then hold. Spike and hold. What more could you ask for? That's like a gun pattern. I guess you could ask for a little bit of news, huh? What kind of news do we got? Looking for penny stocks to buy? This is a pennystocks.com pump or what? Oh, devices and instruments. It's not a biotech. It has a healthcare stock, though. 2 segments represents therapeutic business activities, ASI for diagnostics applications, hemopurifier, clinical stage therapeutic device to combat cancer. Ooh, eliminate life-threatening viruses from the circulatory system. That's fun. Generates revenue from Athlon segment. Let's look at the daily. First green day. So you see it's like downtrodden. Boom, first green day. When? Oh, right at the end there. In power hour. Doesn't tend to, well, it's got this nice follow-up in the past. Yeah, I'm going to throw it on the high alert list. AEMD. Boom. Okay. It's on the pink sheets. Wow, look how bad this thing is. What happened the last 6 months? Oh, man, what a pile of garbage. Okay. Next, NSPX. People have been talking about this a lot. Oh, look, 1, 2, 3 green days in a row. Oh, Dumparooski. Yeah, I'm kind of a B word when it comes to OTCs, and I think it's just because I go in losing $10, you know, and I don't really trade big enough at this point. I don't even know what CVEM means. What market? What exchange is this traded on? And I'm working on it. I'm building up size and confidence and stuff, but you know, it's process, and in the meantime, I don't I don't trade big enough to make anything on these sorry, um, to overcome commissions. I'm gonna get better. I'm getting better. I was like rocking it, and then I took a job and I was away from the market for a while, and when I came back, everything had changed, and so I had lost my confidence. I came back, I had some big losses right away, and I was just like, okay, well, I guess I'm sizing back down again. Look at that. Ped just died. What's it usually do? It usually just dies. Is anyone surprised? Are you surprised that this didn't hold its spike today? Look. Doesn't hold its spike. Didn't even have spikes. Doesn't hold, doesn't hold, doesn't hold, doesn't hold, doesn't hold. I'll put it on the recent spiker list, but it doesn't hold. Let's check on SOL. That's a solar play. Ooh. Ah. Look at that. So close to 52s. So close to 52s. Look at this uptrend. Look at this cup and handle. It's a solar play, and solar's kind of hot. So, yeah, I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it on the list, high alert, see if she can't break. Sorry, he or she, you know, whatever. I'm going to see if Sol can't break bow. 405 probably would be good, but I'll look for like a nice little uptrend. I mean, how are you going to uptrend from 375 to 4, right? Not like that. Tell you what. But if it does something like this, I would be into it. I could get into that, you know? Just buy it around here. Risk, well, if I bought here, I would risk here. And then once it got up there, if it didn't break, I would probably risk like this bottom, or I would just climb out, jump out, screaming, ah, stonks. So yeah, I just go through the top percent gainers and look for stuff like this. This is amazing. I can't believe I walked away from this today. Now I want to trade MDGS. Let's look at the, oh, that's why. And they're going to present at an investor forum. So that tells me there's probably an offering coming soon. Which reminds me, what's AUTO up to? Don't add. That's one thing about stocks to trade is the drawings. Like, I've deleted them 1,000 times and they're always just there. And I'm pretty sure support already hates me because I'm constantly like, I don't like this feature. I missed the run-up. I missed the break. See, it was like right there. Wasn't too exciting. There's nothing too exciting happening there, but I like this. There. I guess that's not that exciting. Took 2 days to do that. I totally screwed it up right in here on this day. I just totally botched a perfect trade opportunity. Anyway, SOS. That sounds fun. New York Stock Exchange, SOS, Limited American Depository Shares. This means that it's a foreign company. It's cute. What do they do? Oh, they provide healthcare services. Emergency rescue business providing emergency healthcare services, roadside assistance. What? Emergency living assistance and other rescue services in China. China. American Depository Shares. China. China. It's a foreign company. That's why it's American Depository Shares. It's in China. Cute little breakout today. Could check 3 tomorrow. Why is it even running? Just because China and the breakout, and there's like nothing here to get attention. So I'll put it there because it's a technical breakout and it's got potential, as we see here. Pacow! 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 See, it's uptrended before, and it's uptrending now. So it's 20 million float, which for me is the sweet spot. A lot of people like really low float, but I am chicken shit, so I shouldn't say that. They say like what you tell yourself is what yourself believes about yourself. I trade conservatively. I don't know. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Don't look at my profit chart. That's, if I wanted people to see my profit chart, it would be public. Oh wait. Shut up. Shut up. When I have millions of dollars, you won't be saying anything then, will you? No. Why did that go? Premier selects Milestone Scientific Technologies. Preliminary proxy statement. That usually means that they're trying to get their shareholders to vote on stuff. CampuFlow will deliver. Group purchasing agreement with Premier. What are the medical devices? Guys, are you seeing a trend? Are you spotting a trend here, folks? Medical devices are warm. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Like, if I had seen it here, though, I would think that it was going to pour off. This does not look good to me. But then it broke that. During extended hours. Like, what? I don't know. I don't know. Float's kind of 50 million, but the market cap's still small. It doesn't need a lot to like blow historic volume out the water. So, I don't know. If there's nothing going on, it might do something. Oh. Well, so medical supplies are running. What's NBY doing? I'm gonna watch that.